Hi, it's Christian from Fine & Country here, and today we're in Calp, an outstanding frontline property overlooking the new Puerto Blanco Marina on over 2,000 square meters of land. And look at that for a view. Lush Mediterranean gardens, sun-soaked terraces, and a stunning infinity pool where you're hovering over the Mediterranean. This is truly a one-of-a-kind property. Let's have a look around. For seamless indoor and outdoor living, we can come straight inside from the terrace, open plan living and dining area, home cinema behind, and a fully equipped kitchen off to the left. Coming to a fully equipped kitchen, utility room behind me, smeg range oven, and direct access to an outdoor chill out area with a retractable roof. Come upstairs, have a chill out area and office space, and access to 3 ensuite bedrooms, all with a fantastic sea view. From the master suite with these amazing views, it almost feels like you're on a luxury yacht. And from here, we can also go straight outside to a private terrace. These steps further up take us to a roof terrace and solar panel access. And downstairs, I have a fully independent guest apartment with a bathroom, currently used as a cinema room, internal access upstairs and also straight outside for more privacy. From the main entrance of the house, we have a double garage, plenty outdoor parking, the private driveway with electric gates, where you can drive straight up to that view. A frontline villa like this, on over 2,000 square meters of land, and those incredible views. Walking distance to the new Puerto Blanco Marina, bars and restaurants. What an opportunity.